Hello, my name is Emmanuel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn the Dataverse Yes or No choice column from a drop-down to a toggle. So to achieve this, you would first need to create your column. Though I already have this column created, but for example, let's say I want to create a test column. Now it has to be of the type choice, and then you click on yes or no. Alright, so I'm just going to cancel this. Now after creating the column, you go to the forms and then you click on the form where you want to make the change. Alright, so now that the form is open, you would click on the field and then you click on components, this components drop down, click on the component and then you click on toggle and then you click on done. Alright, then you can now save and publish your form, and after publishing you can now go ahead to refresh the application, and as you can see, the column has now changed from a drop down to a toggle. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.